Hello my dear students, welcome to our online class. So last session we have discussed about the chapter numbers. So today we are going to discuss about the chapter ratio and proportion. Okay. So what do you mean ratio? So ratio is nothing but it is a comparison of two quantities. So what is ratio? Ratio is a comparison of two quantities with the same kind. So what do you mean same kind? Same kind is nothing but same unit. So kind is nothing but same kind is nothing but same unit. So what is ratio? Ratio is nothing but the comparison of two quantities with the same kind, that is unit. What is my units? So unit is nothing but meter, kilogram, next liter, like this. Okay, so we have the two numbers, the comparison of numbers, the two numbers should be in same kind. That is, if 4 meter means this also 4 meter is to 6 meter. So these two numbers should be with same unit. Okay, clear? So next one, a ratio can be written in fractional form. What do you mean fractional form? For example, 4 meter is to 6 meter. So that can be written as 4 by 6. So this is the fractional form. It should have the numerator and should have a denominator. Okay. So this is nothing but fractional form. Okay. So next one, a ratio can be simplified. So this can be simplified. How it can be simplified? It can be simplified on the same table. It can be divided with the same table. For example, 4 by 6. So it can be simplified in the same table, that is 2 table. That is 3 2s are 6, 2 2s are 4. So it cannot be simplified further since 2 and 3 cannot be come under same table. So it can be written as 2 by 3, that is 2 is to 3. The first one is the numerator and the second one is the denominator. Clear? So next one, a ratio has no unit. So this ratio, this is the ratio 2 by 3. It has no units. We cannot mention in any unit. Okay? Clear? So next one, the ratio symbol is to. So how will you write this? 2. How will you read it? Is to 3. 2 is to 3. Clear? So once again we go through these points. What is it? Ratio is a comparison of two quantities with the same kind. So that is same number of units. So next one, ratio can be written in fractional form. Okay. So next one, ratio can be simplified. So this ratio can be simplified. Next one, a ratio has no unit. So next one, a ratio symbol is to. Okay, clear? So next we move for the exercise problems. Okay, so exercise 3.1, under that first one, filling the blanks. So first one, ratio of rupees 3 to rupees 5. Here see, it is also mentioned rupee, it is also mentioned rupee. Okay, so the ratio of 3 to 5. So how will you write? 3 is to 5. Okay. So next one, ratio of 3 meter to 200 centimeter. So what is the unit here? Its unit is meter and here it is mentioned as centimeter. So it should be reduced. It should be converted. Okay. So what is the lowest unit? Lowest unit is centimeter. So this meter to be converted into centimeter. So how will you convert? 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. So 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. So 3 meter equal to 3 into 100, which is equal to 300 centimeter. Clear? So it should be right 300 divided by 200. So it can be, ratio can be simplified. So 0, 0, 0, 0, cancel. Okay. So how will you write? 3 is to 2. So answer is 3 is to 2. Clear? So next question, ratio of 5 kilometer and 400 meter. 5 kilometer, 400 meter to 6 kilometer. 5 kilometer, 400 meter to 6 kilometer. So here the lowest unit is meter. So we have to convert this kilometer into meter. So how many kilometer equal to kilometer? 1 meter equal to 1000 kilometer. So 5 kilometer. So 5 kilometer equal to 5 into 1000, which is equal to 5000 plus this 400. 5 kilometer and 400 meter means 5400 meter. That is 5000 plus 400, which is equal to 5400 meter. So here we converted this into meter. So this one 6 into 1000, which is equal to 6000 meter. That is 6 kilometer equal to 6 into 1000, which is equal to 6000 meter. So how will you write this? 5400 divided by 6000. Okay. So we have to simplify it here. So 0, 0, 0, 0. So 54 divided by 60. So this can be simplified under which table? 6 table. So how will you convert? 10 6 are 60, 9 6 are 54. Okay, 10 6 are 60, 9 6 are 54. So 9 by 10, which is equal to 9 is to 10. So the answer is 9 is to 10. Like this only you have to simplify. Clear? So next one, ratio of 75 paise to rupees 2. So here the unit is paise, here the unit is rupees. So what is the lowest unit? Paise. So you have to convert rupees to paise. So how many rupees is equal to paise? 1 rupee equal to 100 paise. So 2 rupee equal to 2 into 100, which is equal to 200 paise. So 75 divided by 200. So since it ends with 5, you can easily divide by 5th table. Okay. So 4 5s are 20. This 0. Okay. 1 5 is 5. Balance 2. Remainder 2. 5 5s are 25. So again it ends with 5. 5 and 0. So we can simplify further with 5th table. So 3 5s are 15. 8 5s are 40. So what is a simplified? 3 by 8, which is equal to 3 is to 8. So the answer is 3 is to 8. Okay, clear? So how to simplify and how to convert the units? Have you all clear about this? Okay. So next we move for true or false. So what is the question number 1? The ratio of 130 centimeter to 1 meter. The ratio of 130 centimeter to 1 meter is 13 is to 10. They had given the answer. Okay, we have to check whether it is true or false. So what is simplify? Here the units are differ. So here centimeter and here it's meter. Here it is the lowest unit. So you have to convert meter into centimeter. So 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. So here 1 meter is given. So 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. So how will you write? 130 divided by 100. So 0 0 cancel. So 13 by 10, which is equal to 13 is to 10. So it is given here 13 is to 10. So the statement is true. Okay, clear? So next one of the terms in the ratio cannot be 1. one of the terms in the ratio cannot be 1. They had given that any number, that is the ratio that is having numerator and the denominator. So either a numerator or denominator, it should not have 1 they had given. It is wrong. 1 may be a 1 is also a rational number. It can also be present in the ratio. Okay. So the statement is false. Okay, clear? So the next one, find the simplified form of the following ratios. Say they had given the ratio, we have to find the simplified form. Okay. So how will you find the simplified form? So how will you write this? First question is 15:20. So how will you write this? 15 divided by 20. Okay. So here it ends with 5 and 0. So it comes under fifth table. So 3 5s are 15, 4 5s are 20. So how will you write this? 3 by 4, which is equal to 3:4. So the simplified answer is 3:4. Clear? So the next one, 32:24. So how will you write this? 32 divided by 24. So it ends with 2 and 4. So it comes under second table or fourth table. Okay. So we can use fourth table here. So 6 4s are 24. Okay, 6 4s are 24, 8 4s are 32. 6 4s are 24, 8 4s are 32. Again you can simplify by second table. Since it has 8 and 6. 8 and 6 comes under second table. 3 2s are 6, 4 2s are 8. Okay, so 4 divided by 3. So how will you write? 4:3. You should not write 3:4. The numerator should be the first ratio and the denominator should be the second number. So it should be written as 4:3. Clear? Okay. So the second one, 7:15. 7 divided by 15. So 7, it doesn't comes under second table, third table, fourth table. It should comes under seventh table. And 15, it should not comes under seventh table. So we cannot divide, simplify further. So you can write as it is. 7:15. Clear? So the next one, 12:27. So 12 divided by 27. So 27 comes under third table. So 12 also comes under third table. So 9 3s are 27, 4 3s are 12. So 4 and 9 cannot comes under single table. So 4:9. Okay. So the next one, 75:100. So you know the the fifth table easily. So you can cancel that. So 2 5s are 10, 0, 1 5 is 5, balance 2, 5 5s are 25, 15 divided by 20. Again you can cancel, 4 5s are 20, 3 5s are 15. So you can write it as 3/4, which is equal to 3:4. Okay, clear how to simplify a problem? Okay. So the next question, see here, Akhilan walks 10 km in an hour while Selvi walks 6 km in an hour. Akhilan walks 10 km and in 1 hour and Selvi walks 6 km in 1 hour. Find the simplest ratio of the distance covered by Akhilan to that of Selvi. We have to find the ratio between Akhilan to Selvi. So see here, what is the value? 10 km, here 6 km. So the units are same. So no problem. So no need to convert. So first, Akhilan walks 10 km, whereas Selvi walks 6 km. So ratio is 10:6. So you have to find the simplified form. So how will you write 10 divided by 6? So which table? 3 2s are second table. 3 2s are 6, 5 2s are 10. So we cannot simplified further. So how will you write? 5 divided by 3 which is equal to 5:3. Okay, so the distance, the ratio of the distance, so the ratio of the distance covered by Akilan to Selvi is 5:3. Okay, clear? So the next question, the cost of parking a bicycle is ₹5 and the cost of parking a scooter is ₹50. So ₹5, ₹50. So both are under same unit, so no problem. Find the simplest ratio of the parking cost of your bicycle to that of your scooter. So the cost of parking a bicycle is ₹5. So the same as the cost of parking a scooter is ₹15. 5:15. Okay. So how will you write the ratio? 5:15. So for this we have to find the simplified form. 5 divided by 15. 1 5 is 5. So comes under fifth table. So 3 5s are 15. So how will you write? 1/3 which is equal to 1:3. So the ratio of parking cost of bicycle to the top scooter, bicycle to the top scooter, bicycle to the top scooter is 1:3. Okay, clear? So the next question, see here. So out of 50 students in your class, 30 are boys. Find the ratio of number of boys to the number of girls and number of girls to the total number of students and number of boys to the total number of students. Okay, how will you find? Out of 50 students. So total number of students. So how many total number of students? Total number of students is 50. Okay, so out of that 30 are boys. So boys strength. So boys how much? In your class, boys equal to 30. So how many girls? So out of 50, 30 are boys. So in your class, how many girls are there? So 50 minus 30 equal to 20. So 50 total minus boys which is equal to 20. So 20 of them are girls. So we have to find the ratio. Okay. So a number of boys, how many boys? 30. So number of boys is equal to 30. Next one, number of girls. So number of girls is equal to 20. So how will you write? 30:20. So for this we have to find the simplified form. 30 divided by 20 which is equal to 0 0 cancel. We cannot divide further. Okay. So answer is 3:2. Okay, clear? So the next one. Number of girls to the total number of students. So how many number of girls? So number of girls equal to 20. So total number how much? 50. So total number of students equal to 50. So how will you write? 20:50. So 20 divided by 50. So 0 0 cancel. We cannot divide further. So the ratio is 2:5. Okay, clear? So the next question. Number of boys is equal to how much? 30. You have to find the ratio of number of boys to the number of students. So number of boys is 30. So number of total number of students. So total number of students which is equal to total number how much? 50. So we have to find the ratio. 30 divided by 50. So 0, 0 cancel. Okay. So 3 is to 5. Okay. Clear? Like this only we have to find the, what is it? Ratio. And simplified ratio. Okay. So students, we have completed the exercise problems, right? So you have to come. So today's assignment, you have to complete the objective type questions. Okay. So you have to work out and you have to complete the objective type questions. So this is a today's assignment for you. Okay. So let us meet in the next session. Thank you all.